How do I know if my plants or remedies are spoiled or degraded? You can know if your plants or remedies are spoiled or degraded by looking, smelling, and tasting them. Some signs of spoilage or degradation are: plants. If your fresh plants are wilted, yellowed, slimy, moldy, or have a foul odor, they are likely spoiled and should be discarded. If your dried plants are discolored, dusty, crumbly, or have a musty odor, they are likely degraded and should be replaced. Teas. If your brewed teas are cloudy, sour, moldy, or have a bad odor or taste, they are likely spoiled and should be thrown away. If your tea bags or loose-leaf teas are faded, stale, moldy, or have a bad odor or taste, they are likely degraded and should be replaced. Tinctures. If your tinctures are cloudy, discolored, separated, crystallized, or have a bad odor or taste, they are likely spoiled or degraded and should be discarded. Oils. If your oils are rancid, oxidized, cloudy, separated, or have a bad odor or taste, they are likely spoiled or degraded and should be thrown away. Salves. If your salves are melted, hardened, cracked, discolored, moldy, or have a bad odor or taste, they are likely spoiled or degraded and should be discarded. These are some of the signs of spoilage or degradation of plants or remedies. You should always check your plants or remedies before using them and store them properly to prevent spoilage or degradation. Thanks for watching.